people, na good morning, na good afternoon, na good evening, depend on where una dey watch this video from. If today na una first time wey una dey accord this channel, una no forget to subscribe, to like and to comment below. My people, this one na late TB Joshua wife wey he died June. So she just come out, constantly appreciate people. So una watch the video. Thank you.
Our members, partners, friends, and compatriots in faith, I say good morning and win today. It has been 3 months since the glorious home call of our dear father, founder, and general overseer, senior prophet Temitope Balubun Joshua, which occurred on the 5th of June, year 2021. These past 3 months have surely been challenging, but we thank you all for remaining strong and for keeping the faith as we have been trained, built, instructed, and taught by God's servant himself that trials are the soil upon which faith flourishes. We salute your faith. Today, like always, is a new dawn in the Synagogue Church of All Nations. As we all know, Prophet TB Joshua fought the good fight of the kingdom and finished strong to the glory of God. We have now commenced the journey from where our father left the baton. He had already prepared us all for this new phase, and we must rise up to the occasion as a team under the command of God and the direction of the Holy Spirit. The journey is for us all. The Synagogue Church of All Nations cannot be without you, all the members, partners, and friends of the ministry. So, this now serves as a clarion call for you all to rise as an army of God as we push this great commission forward. I am not your general overseer. My dear husband and our dear father, the prophets for generation, Senior Prophet TB Joshua, remains the founder and the general overseer of the Synagogue Church of All Nations. Like my beloved husband used to say, let love lead. Today, I represent the symbol of that love, even as it continues to reside by the right hand of his maker. I am only a servant who, under the leadership and direction of the Holy Spirit, will team up with you all to direct the affairs of this great ministry. We will work together, pray together, fight the fight of faith together, win together, so that we can all inherit the everlasting home together. I know that we have all missed the congregation of our brethren for the past 1.5 years, but let me assure you that as God leads, we shall also converge again and worship God together as a family. So watch out. There is no gainsaying the fact that I and the entire team, we need your prayers, support, encouragement, and advice all at this time. The duty is much. The burden is heavy. But we will all cast them onto Jesus, who has already given us a promise of his help. I thank you all once again for the love and support you have shown to this ministry and Senior Prophet TB Joshua for the past years. But if there's any time to show that love more, the time is now. Let me again assure you, as it has always been the watchword of this ministry, that God is always with us. Emmanuel, God is with us. God bless you all. Thank you.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around.